Dr. Shivaga Komarpaj is the center of the Thai healers spiritual practice. In Thailand, Dr. Shivaga is aฤๅษี, and Thai people respect him as father of all kind of Thai arts. Thai massage is also an art form. However, Thai people honor Dr. Shivaga as a father doctor of Thai traditional medicine, and Thai people honor King Lama V as a father of Thai massage. You can find statues ofฤๅษีor Dr. Shivaga Komarpaj performing Thai exercises at the ground of Wat Po Temple. Wat Po it is the temple where traditional Thai medicine and traditional Thai massage school is located. At particular day each year, Thai massage practitioners will perform Wai Kru ceremony, which is giving honor to the teacher. So Thai massage practitioners will include the image of Dr. Shivaga Komarpaj and also his statue on the altar alongside with the Buddha statue and the image or statue of King Lama V in recognition Dr. Shivaga's position as the practitioner's primary teacher or master or Ajahn in Thai language. Statue of Dr. Shivaga is also placed in prominent locations in many monasteries and temples, including Thailand's national temple called Wat Phra Kaew. The temple is located in Bangkok. Most traditional Thai massage schools, especially in Thailand, include chanting for Dr. Shivaga twice a day in the massage class. The first time is before the class start, and another time is after finish the class at the end of the day. Before giving a massage, some Thai massage therapists will sit at the end of the client's feet. Then they put their palms together and close their eyes and ask Dr. Shivaga for guidance and wishing Dr. Shivaga to help the person or client feeling relief from his or her pain or illnesses, and also to ask for person's permission to touch his or her body. In the Western practice, Thai massage therapists practice similarly. They raise their palms on the person's body and quiet their mind and center themselves for a few seconds before start massaging the person. Thai massage therapists who practice like this, it helps to gain their confidence and also help to clear their mind, make themselves focus and concentrate on the treatment that they are going to perform in a session, and that is the way of clear any negative mind out of their mind, and then after that their mind and intention will be just for a session, and in order to provide the best treatment to their client, and hope that their client will feel better after the session. This kind of practice is pure practice. It doesn't mean that massage therapists use spiritual or black magic in a session. According to Buddhist scriptures, Dr. Shivaga Komarpaj is a famous physician at those times. Students of traditional Thai medicine and Thai massage are most likely to be familiar with this ancient model of Buddha's physician. He is respected in Thai tradition as the founder of Thai traditional medicine, although his relationship and traditional medicine and particularly Thai massage is unclear. Following is the life of Dr. Shivaga Komarpaj as recorded in the Vinaya Mahawak version of ancient Buddhist scriptures. At the time that Lord Buddha was living in India, there was a town named Raki, which was ruled by King Bimpisara. And also at that time, there was a famous prostitute of the town. Her name is Sarawadi. She was very beautiful woman. When Sarawadi became pregnant, she was afraid of losing her business, so she concealed her pregnancy until the time when she gave birth to a healthy baby boy. After she gave birth, she ordered her servant to place the infant in an old bamboo basket and then leave him at the city dump. The same morning that the infant was left at the city dump, Prince Apai, who he is the son of King Bimpisara, he was on his way to his palace, and then he noticed a flock of crows bustling and flapping about an old basket. He asked the people gathered around the scene about why were the crowds flocking around there. The onlookers said that there was an infant. So the prince asked them back that is this infant still alive? And the response was, it is still alive. So after hearing that, the prince commanded the onlookers to bring the child to his palace and ordered a nanny to care for the newborn. The people obeyed the royal command and brought the child to the nanny at the palace and named the infant Shivaga, which is mean alive. They also gave the child an additional name, Komarpaj, which is mean a child adopted by a prince. Later, when he was older, Shivaga Komarpaj pondered as to which career would benefit his family the most, and he decided to study medicine. He traveled to the city of Taxila to meet Dr. Tipsapamok. Shivaga asked the doctor for permission to study medicine under him, and the doctor gave his consent. In return of this teaching, Shivaga worked for the doctor and eventually completed his studies after 7 years. After the end of the 7th year, Shivaga asked Dr. Tipsapamok whether there was anything further for him to learn. The Dr. Tipsapamok replied by instructing Shivaga to circle the entire city with a shovel in hand. He was to search for objects that could not be applied in the treatment and healing of patients, and to bring these objects back to Dr. Tipsapamok. Shivaga proceeded to trek around the city as instructed, but was not able to find a single object that could not be used to heal patients. He returned empty-handed and reported to Dr. Tipasamok that in fact everything he found on the way could be applied to the healing of patients. Satisfied with this reply, Dr. Tipasamok concluded that Shivaga had successfully completed his tutelage and could now graduate to be a fully fledged physician and was sent out into the world to practice medicine. After Dr. Shivaga graduated in study about medicine, he then returned to his home, and along the way to his home, he also successfully treated many patients, and his fame spread far and wide. After he returned home, Prince Apai presented Dr. Shivaga in order to administer treatment to King Pimbisara. The doctor healed King Pimbisara with great results. Then King Pimbisara rewarded the doctor or Dr. Shivaga by ordering 500 women serving the king in the palace to hand over their jewelry to Dr. Shivaga. The doctor declined the royal physician and commanded the doctor to treat patients within the royal court and to serve Buddha and his monk disciples. During his occupation, Dr. Shivaga performed many types of treatment, including surgery to remove a strange-looking animal from the brain, which it could be parasite. On one occasion, the Buddha wished to cleanse his body of impurities by means of a laxative. Pra Ananta, who is a disciple close to Buddha, he approached Dr. Shivaga to ask for a suitable medicine. Dr. Shivaga instructed Pa Ananta to wash Buddha's external body to refresh the body for a period of 2 to 3 days. The Dr. Shivaga then prepared a laxative by filling 3 lotus stems with several types of smoked herbal medicine. After completing the preparation, Dr. Shivaga presented each lotus stem to Buddha with the advice that inhaling each lotus stem would move the bowels 10 times. Thus, the 3 lotus stems preparation would facilitate 30 bowel movements. Dr. Shivaga left Buddha with the belief that each lotus stem would induce 10 bowel movements. However, due to the large amount of toxins accumulated in Buddha's body, only 29 movements were induced. It would require a final bath in warm water to stimulate the final cleansing movement. Lord Buddha, knowing the doctor's thoughts, he instructed Pa Ananta to draw a warm water bath after completion to the 29 movement. Just as Dr. Shivaga prescribed, the 30th movement occurred. He also recommended that Buddha refrain from eating meals cooked with vegetable broth until his body has stabilized. Despite never having been ordained in the monkhood, Buddha bestowed a blessing on Dr. Shivaga by naming him an exceptional Buddhist. This story of Dr. Shivaga Komarpaj, as set forth in the Tripitaka or the Buddhist canon, shows that he was recognized during Buddha's lifetime as a great and renowned physician. There is, however, no mention in the scriptures of massage being used in treatment and healing. Furthermore, there is no clear explanation of how his teaching in traditional medicine were transferred to the Thai people, even though Buddhism's influence eventually reached and was disseminated throughout Thailand. Practice Thai massage, bring health and healing to the community. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a healthy day. สวัสดีค่ะ